How to add your store logo to the packing slip in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now first, what I need you to do is open up two different Shopify tabs. This is only just going to make it easier for us. So I'm going to have two open. And in any one of them, you just want to go to settings here and click on shipping and delivery. Now you simply just want to scroll down until you find the packing slip template, and by default it's going to look something like this. It's going to have the name of the store here, and it's just now going to have the logo. So we simply just want to add the logo to it. So what we want to do is find this right here, which should be at the top for you as well, but if you don't see it at the top, that's completely fine. You may want to scroll down until you find it, or you can just use Control F to type it out and you should be able to find it. So it says shop.name. You just make sure you highlight the entire thing like so, and you just want to go down to the description. You should be able to find a code, and you simply just want to paste in the code right on top of this. It should delete the previous one and paste this instead. Now what we need to do here for the code is we want to add the link to our logo in here. So to get the link of our logo, we just want to go back to our other Shopify tab, go to content, files, and if you haven't already uploaded your logo in here, just go ahead and click on upload files and upload your logo. Once you do it, and you should be able to find it, it's for me this one right here. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the right and click on copy link and go back and paste it right over here and click on save. And that's all we need to do. And now we can just preview the template and we're going to be able to find the logo. But I need to note also one more thing here. We have the max height. It's going to be 50 pixels by default. You can feel free to tone this down or up depending on how the logo looks like for you. So let's see here for us, the logo is quite small. So we can just feel free to increase the 50 pixels to 60, for example, and test things out. So we can just go back here, try 60 instead, click on save and preview the template. Obviously, if you want it to be smaller, you can just go in and tone it down to 40 and you can just play around with the number. So it should now increase in size, and yeah, it did actually increase in size, but I may like it to be a little bit larger as well. But anyways, now you get the idea and you know exactly what to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.